Back again, guys, with another review. This time it's going to be the Kobalt XTR circular saw. This thing is a dream. I mean, it's got the power, it's got the precision, it's got a lot of nice features. We're going to go into it a little bit here. So, let's go ahead and make some more sawdust. Like it's not even there. Gotta love this thing. It's got power for days, and it just keeps going. Here's a video that I took while cutting a panel. It was really quick because obviously paneling's just nothing. But the fact that I could keep a straight line, just go through it like butter, man, it was awesome. Here you go. Alright guys, so like a lot of the circular saws out there, we have a nice metal guard on it, but we also have a nice metal tray. We have a lot of angle that we can choose from whenever we go to do our cuts. Not only that, it does come with a guard. You can insert that in there so that way you can run yourself a nice smooth edge, and you can put it in from either direction, and that way you're only taking off just those nice little trim pieces. Beyond that, we have a nice little hanging hook so you can hang it up wherever you are. And from there, we also do have a little bit of a depth adjustment. So if you just need to make a shallow cut, you can. And all these adjustments and everything, they're just on these nice little flappers. They give you some good contact. They're easy to move. Nothing wrong with them at all. I kind of love it. And there's a lot of metal in this. This thing's got some heft to it. Ready? Well, there you go, guys. That was a full saw depth of cut. Didn't really give it any trouble. The cut is super smooth and nice. I mean, this thing is just, it's impressive. Now, you might see some of this sawdust up in the air. It does come with an attachment. It goes on right here. And it looks like this. Goes in like so. It does screw in. And once it's on there, you can hook your shop vac up to it or whatever else to keep your sawdust getting sucked out and to keep it out of the air. I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. I know I've enjoyed making it. And as always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next or if I've done something wrong. Hit me up, guys. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.